So to get started, I am gonna do just a little bit more cleaning and just a little bit more like quadruple checking my marking, just because I'm very particular with foreheads. I really wanna make sure they're good. After my own many tumultuous forehead piercing experiences, I have a pretty strong bias. All right, super big wide surprised eyes, like super big. I just kind of like hold it there. All right, and then relax. And then like super scrunch, like super angry, and then just like hold it there. I know it's like actually kind of hard to hold. And then relax. Yeah, I really think that's gonna be our best bet. Like, you have a very mobile forehead. I'm sure no one has ever said that to you in your life. I do too. So you're very expressive. There's lots of creases. There's lots of tissue that pulls from all sorts of different directions. So we're kind of right in between the two big areas of movement. The like angry scrunch, we're all right here scrunches up, and then the surprise scrunch, we're all up here scrunches up. Okay. I think that's really gonna be our best bet to start, and then we'll kind of monitor it. Hopefully this is just great and you have it for a couple years. If you don't, stay in touch with me during the healing process. If I see the way it fails, I'll know the way to attempt it next time to try and get it to succeed for longer. But you know, it's foreheads, they're experimental. I've said it all. I'm just saying it again. I like to cover all the bases. And I'm gonna walk you through every step of the process, that way there's no surprises. All right, my friend, nice deep breath. And exhale. You did great, keep breathing. You're gonna feel some big pressure here. Breathe through this pressure. You're just gonna feel a little bit more pressure and push in. There we go. That was that good click. I'm gonna hold a little bit of pressure and make sure that you stay clean, okay? Okay. But all the hard part's over.
Hey.
Hopefully not as bad as you were expecting.
Oh my god, I was so nervous. I guess just because it's a different spot.
Certainly joey bags, but it looks dope. And yeah, I like the discs with everything. Yeah, I think it makes it all a little bit more proportional.
And the size of it's like, oh, so good.